boys and girls. I'm going to go ahead and help you with your lesson 11 in science. We're going to start by going into your science course. We are in module 2, matter and mixtures, and we're looking at lesson 11. Right here, matter and mixtures 01.06, pump up the volume. So click on that to open up the lesson. It's a 5-page lesson. Make sure you go through all 5 pages because these pages are really going to help you with your assignment, especially this part right here. We are checking off or selecting the boxes that describe each state. So you can select and then you can check your answers. These right here, these answers are what is going to help you with your assignment. So make sure you look at these answers and do this activity on page 2. There's also some other activities on here that will be very helpful with your assignment. You've got more activities to go through that will help you. And then you'll come to your lesson summary. And your last page has the assignment, pump up the volume. Click on that, it'll open up. It's a 1-page assignment, and it says, observe the pictures of a solid, a liquid, and a gas. In the space provided, create a chart comparing the properties of volume and shape. So for each of these, gas, liquid, solid, you're going to write down the properties that explain the volume and the shape. So what's the volume and shape of a gas? What's the volume and shape of a liquid? What is the volume and shape of a solid? And if you remember correctly, if you go back to page 2 and you click on these answers, after selecting, it tells you about their volume and shape for each. So it goes through and tells you the volume and shape for a solid, the volume and shape for a liquid, the volume and shape for a gas. And you can use that for this chart at the top. Gas, liquid, solid. Describe the volume and shape for each. And you'll do that on the lines provided here. When you're done, you'll go back to Buzz, click on your next activity tab, click on your blue plus button and attach your work. Let me know if you have any questions.